Hi, this is Drew with Knack Training, bringing you another Everyday Office video. Today we're going to be creating an automation that sends specific files in SharePoint as an email attachment. Start by navigating to make.powerautomate.com, locate the Create button on the left-hand side, and click Automated Cloud Flow. Name your automation and then select the trigger titled When a File is Created in a Folder. Click the Create button. Within the trigger, select the SharePoint site that you'd like to run the automation from. Then you'll also select the folder that you'd like to run the automation from. Next, you're going to click the plus New Step button and search for Get File Metadata. You'll want to make sure that you're selecting the action for SharePoint and not for OneDrive. Once you're inside the action, from the site address dropdown, you're going to select the same SharePoint site you linked previously. Then you'll click into the file identifier text box and insert dynamic content titled X-MS-File ID. Click the button to add a new step and select the condition action. Under the value text box, you're going to add dynamic content and search for name and then select display name. Under the dropdown, I'm going to click contains because I'm only searching for one word in my file name. Type the word you'll be searching for in the text box on the right. Under the If Yes branch, add an action and search for Send an Email. I selected to use Outlook, but you can also use Gmail here. You'll use this space to type out your email as you typically would, starting with the To field, then type in a subject, and then you will add in the body of your message. In this example, I'm going to be sending summary transaction documents to my manager. In the SharePoint folder I'm searching here, there are also other daily and monthly transaction reports that I don't want sent to my manager. Now we're going to actually add the file. Click the dropdown for Show Advanced Options and locate the Attachments section. In the Attachment Name section, we will add the dynamic content for the name of the file. Now we'll add dynamic content for the Attachments Content section. Scroll all the way down until you locate the File Content. Make sure you push Save in the top right-hand corner of your automation. Now we'll test our flow to ensure that it works. Locate a test file on your computer with the keyword in your automation. Drag and drop it into the folder in SharePoint. Once the file has been successfully added to the folder, we'll navigate back to the Power Automate tab. Select the back arrow in the top left-hand corner of your automation, and then under the 28-day run history section, click the refresh button. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to populate, but I can see here that my flow ran successfully. The condition for my keyword was true. Now when I navigate to my email tab, I can open the email. When I select the document, I can see a preview, and now I know that my flow ran successfully. Now I'll want to test this automation with a file that does not meet the text criteria in our condition action. I'll add my second test file to the folder, and then I can navigate to the Power Automate tab. I'll click on the refresh button in my 28-day run history. I'll select this run of my flow, and I can see here that it looks like all of my criteria were met. However, when I open my condition action, I can see that the result is false, and the X next to my email shows me that it did not send. Like and follow along for more videos like this from Everyday Office.